Today we're going to move on and start to think about which gases are creating the greenhouse effect and how those gases have got into our atmosphere. So we're going to solve a mystery today. Today we're going to solve the mystery of, was James Watt to blame for Ali missing school? Can anybody tell me what has happened to the area of Pakistan where Ali lives?
There's been a flood where he lives.
Excellent answer. Climate change has created extra rainfall, which has therefore created flooding in this area, which has had a socio-economic impact, that the road has been blocked. Does Ali have any other way to get to school? No. So can Ali get to school anymore? No. Let's bring this back to our original question. Was James Watt responsible for this?
James Watt started the Industrial Revolution, which caused more fossil fuels, and then the gases went up to the clouds.
You're absolutely correct. James Watt began the Industrial Revolution, and during the Industrial Revolution, we began burning more fossil fuels, which put more gases in the atmosphere, which has now changed our climate, and that climate change has now led Ali being unable to attend school because the road outside his town is flooded.
This session starts with a problem based on a real-life situation that involves a young boy. This type of situation can be a source of motivation, especially because the teacher presents it as a mystery to solve. After a few minutes of group work, the teacher rephrases the problem and begins a question-answer session. The teacher asks several students and then formulates a general conclusion using what has been said.
The next thing we're going to think about is the gases which contribute to climate change and to global warming. The first question is, what are the main greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and that are emitted by human activities? Which human activities are responsible for greenhouse gas emissions? What do you notice about those activities? Are they humans' activities or are they natural activities?
Human activities.
Well done. Who can tell me what the main greenhouse gases are in the atmosphere that are emitted by human activities? Hands up.
There is water vapour, carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide.
The teacher organizes the lesson with different sections. Some are for group work, allowing the students to reflect and discuss on their own, whereas others are for general discussions and sharing with the rest of the students. During group work, however, the teacher navigates between the different groups to make sure they complete most of the activity. A final discussion at the end of the activity will help draw the conclusion.
And the second question, which human activities are responsible for greenhouse gas emissions? Who has an answer for me?
By burning fossil fuels, landfills and waste and other human activities like fuel vehicles and stuff.
Which gas contributes most to the human greenhouse emissions? So which gas is put out the most by human activity?
Carbon dioxide.
Excellent answer. Which economic sectors contribute the most?
Electricity and heat production.
This lesson is made of 3 different parts, which all contribute to the resolution of the first problem. What is the link between Ali and James Watt? The first activity can be considered as an introduction. Once the link between the Industrial Revolution and human activity has been established, the other activities take a deeper dive into the different greenhouse gases and their origin. Using the results of their analysis, the students can therefore argue that some human activities emit more greenhouse gases than others.